Good day! Welcome to another GPTconnect AI basic tutorial video. For this session, we will talk about the Facebook comment automation tool. You heard it right. You can set up your chatbot for Facebook comment automation on your page posts, ads, and reels. This is the perfect tool to increase customer engagement with the help of AI and automation. You do not have to worry about replying to every single comment on your Facebook posts. Let the chatbot take care of business. We kick things off by making a flow for our automated private reply. Due to Facebook community guidelines, OpenAI-generated messages are being restricted through direct messages. A simple way to bypass this restriction is to initiate an interaction between the user. Start the flow with a plain text followed by a call to action button. This will satisfy the needed interaction by community guidelines. Take note, the call to action button should be linked with the real property template welcome message flow. When all is set, click Publish to save. Next step, go to Tools and look for the Facebook comment automation feature. Here, we create and customize the comment automation we want inside our Facebook page. Now we're in, we start customizing our comment automation tool. Starting with which post to automate, it could be a specific post or all posts inside your page. We've created a test post which we will specifically use for this demonstration. Next, we select the private reply automation. There are three options: text, flow, or null. For this demo, we select the flow we created earlier. Next, we hop into the post comment automation. Similar to the previous selection, the three options are still available. For a consistent automated comment reply, we set it to text. Here comes the exhilarating part. You may select if the automation will work for any comment inside the post, or it will only apply for certain words or keywords. Moreover, there are additional criteria you can tinker around to personally customize the Facebook comment automation. You have the liberty to customize each criteria according to your liking. Once done, click Save. And lastly, do not forget to tick the control button on to activate your automation. Here we come to the end of this tutorial. Got questions and need support? Our amazing support team is here for you. Our support hotline is at the description box below. Thanks for choosing GPTconnect.